Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified. In today's video, we are going to see these amazing watercolor backgrounds. I have also done some swatches, so watch the video till the end. So I'm going to use these Camel Artist Watercolors. They come in 24 shades for rupees 300. Plus you get one paint brush as well, round brush. So for today's video I'm going to use these. These I have very recently bought. I've also done some swatches of all of these. I have put that in the end of the video. If you like watching swatches, watch the video till the end. Now for our watercolor background, what is very important is the type of colors that we use, and also the watercolor paper is important. All the details I have put in the description. I am applying some water on the paper first without any color, and then once there is a whole layer of water, it is a little bit greasy, you can see, I'm going to apply some color. Now I'm doing a 3-layer color in this, so I'm going to use yellow, orange and red. What I'm doing is I want on the upper half as yellow, so I'm going to do more of yellow on the upper half, and then gradually I go very slowly. The second layer I've put orange, and then the third one I'm doing red. So there's a smooth transition which you can see. Similar way on the second half of my paper, again I'm applying some water. It'll be very greasy, and here I'm only using 2 colors. One is blue and other is violet or purple. So make sure that you have a nice blend of these. If you do not have watercolors, there's also a very simple technique using brush pens where you can make backgrounds. I've already made a video on that. You can check it out in the description. So this is how beautifully you blend the colors, and you can see there's a very nice mixture, and this is how it looks. Very beautiful. It's very easy to do, but just the right tools, that is the right watercolor paper and the watercolors. You can even use brush pens for this. So this is how you can do very simple, easy watercolor backgrounds. You can use combination of any colors which you like. Make sure that there is a smooth, blend of colors, and this is how beautiful it looks. Now I'm going to do some swatches of the new Camel watercolors. So watch the video till the end. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.